Hey YouTubers, today we're going to do something that I've been putting off for quite some time. It's my dryer and my vent is full of lint. I'm certain of it because nothing is drying anymore. It dries, but it takes forever because nobody around here likes to clean these things. So we're going to get started. I'm going to show you all. I had two ways of doing this, from below or from above. But when I went up to the roof, I can't find the vent. So we're going to have to do it from below. So the first thing we're going to do is, I've invaded my cat's space and she took off, all pissed off. I'm going to move the washing machine. Good thing I worked out today. Over there. No, over there. Okay, so here we go. Wow. Okay. So nobody has cleaned behind here in a while. Looks like we're gonna have to. Ooh, gross. Okay. Alright, there we go. Now, we're gonna push the dryer out. I'm not a fan of these front-loading washers and dryers, I'll be honest with you. Everything likes to fall. Oh, you're gonna need a drill, and I'll show you why in a second. And you're gonna have to close the door. Alright. Here we go. So let's move this puppy. Oh my goodness me. And oh boy. Okay, yeah. Here we go. I think I have tackled bigger jobs than this. Wow. Okay. So get as much space in here as possible. Wow. Alright. So now I'm going to use this kit that I bought that I've had forever. It's just a bunch of tubes, holes, and in the end, oh, I even got this thing, which I haven't used in forever. And there should be a brush in here. There she blows. Two brushes. Okay. I highly recommend, if you can, get a vacuum. I've got a wireless, cordless vac, battery operated. It's about 150 bucks at Lowe's. DeWalt. Oh dear gosh. Alright, we're gonna get a broom. Wherever the broom might be. Alright. Okay, this broom's over there. So let's get the broom. And let's clean up that disaster area called the drying area. Where my cat went to? Wow. This is seriously a fire hazard. Alright. I don't think a broom is going to cut it, but we're going to try anyway. I wonder what this is. It's a stick of some sort. Wow, this has been here for quite some time. Because it's... yeah. I guess I should be a little coins. I guess I should be a little nervous as to why the heck I couldn't find the vent up on the roof, but I'm not worried about it now. Let's see. First thing we're going to do is Get down and dirty. Take my poles here. Okay. Woo. Yeah, it is not a clean job. Let's begin. Let's suck up some of this stuff. For 6 years. Okay. I'll get the rest later because this is gonna take a while. So for now, let's get started on the vent. I'm gonna probably say ooh a lot. Alright. Got our drill. Got the hose. I need a screwdriver. Where did I put my screwdriver? Where did I put my screwdriver? Screwdriver. Over here. Ew. Alright. And, well, I don't want to do that. Okay. This is not the easiest thing in the world to do. Oh, oh. I've trapped myself there. Alright, there's the... It's free. Alright, now, I'll lose my drill bit. Fold my legs. Let's see here. This is why people charge money to do this. Tighten that up and start the process by shoving it up there. There's something blocking me here. Let's see if we can figure out what it is. Yeah, it's the pipe vent. That's not good. Okay, make sure the pipe is nice and straight. Start sticking in your poles and screwing them together.